Okay, now what we want to do is change the graphics of the ball. So right now we have like a bluish looking ball. Let me show it to you. If you go to your Xcode project, then within the resources folder again, there's a modify this folder right there. You should see moving items. Okay, in that folder you actually see ball underscore original and ball underscore original HD. So it's kind of like a blue yin and yang ball. We're gonna change this to the beach ball that we downloaded earlier. Okay, so what I want you to do is just right click and open this one within Photoshop, okay, or GIMP or any other image editor tool. All right, next thing you want to do is open the beach ball that we downloaded earlier. Okay, so I have mine under assets right there. You probably have it in your download folder, okay? And I'm gonna right click on this and open with Photoshop. Okay, so now what I want to do is select all. Okay, so I'm gonna select the whole area and copy, Command C. Once you do that, go back here and paste it, Command V. Now what we just pasted is huge compared to this ball, so we won't see it. So what you gotta do is scale it, Command T, okay, and press Shift as you're scaling it down, so that it's the same scale on the horizontal axis and the vertical axis. Okay. Okay, as you can see, we can already start to see it. I'm gonna zoom in, Command plus. Okay. Let's see. I think that should do it. I'm gonna press enter. All right. Now I'm gonna make this one invisible, and I just have this ball. Okay, so if I zoom out, this is how the ball is gonna look like. It's pretty good. Now I'm gonna save it. Command Alt Shift S. Save for web as a PNG file. Save. Okay, and we're gonna replace the one that's in the moving items folder. The ball underscore original dash HD. Save. Replace. Now we're gonna save this one again, but instead of saving it for HD display, instead of doing Retina, we're gonna do it for normal displays. So when you save it to 50%, so half the size, so it's really small as you can see already, and save. All right, and save it and replace the ball underscore original. Save. Replace. Alright, so now next thing you want to do, once this is done, you want to make sure it's working. So what you will do is go back to Xcode, do the usual product clean, and then you will run it and you will see the changes there. Okay, I'm not going to do it right now because I know that for a fact that it's going to work, and I don't want you to waste an extra 2 or 3 minutes just waiting for my build to finish. Okay, alright.